Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of how to create or draft a basic shirt block. With me here, I have got the back and the front of our previously drafted shirt block. For the back pattern, we are just going to leave it plain, and I'm aware that there are different designs that features yokes and pleats at the back, but for this tutorial we're just going to concentrate on the front pattern. As this is a beginners friendly video, we don't want to confuse our audience by introducing different styles at this stage. Now, if you've got your front pattern ready, it is time to get it out and make sure you have your pattern paper wide and long enough for your pattern. Now that you have your pattern paper ready, you want to make sure you have enough room for your front placket. So in order for you to ensure that, you need to make sure you align your center front at least 5 to 10 centimeters away from the paper edge, that is the front edge. You want to make sure you have enough room for your front placket or button stand. So what I've done here is created a crease along that line, which is 5 to 10 centimeters away from the edge, and I am going to use my straight ruler to create a vertical line along that crease. Once that is done, you are going to get your front pattern and make sure the center front is well aligned onto the new vertical line. So once that is done, you're going to trace off your shirt block. The next stage is to create our placket. In order for us to create this placket, we need the following measurement: your button diameter plus 0.3 centimeters. Once you have that measurement, you're going to take half of that measurement and use that to draw a vertical line from the center front of your shirt pattern. And now you have half of your placket width. Now we are done drawing the vertical line. From this line, we need to add the placket width. On the screen, you have the formula to get your placket width. So once you have that, you are going to use that measurement to draw an additional vertical line from the form of vertical line we've created. So from the original center front, you have half of your placket width plus the full size of your placket width. So next I am going to add seam allowance to the placket. I normally use 1 centimeter for my seam allowance, but go ahead to add whatever measurement you need for your seam allowance. Now you want to make sure you close up your front placket. Please bear in mind, in order for us to finish this pattern, you need to add your 2 centimeters hem allowance And for the top part, which is around the neck area, we've added 0.5 centimeters at the edge just to lift that edge up a bit. The reason being is for you to have enough fabric when folding up your placket. It will all make sense when we start sewing up this pattern. But for now, make sure to add 0.5 centimeter at the neck point of your front placket. So you want to make sure all your pattern markings are transferred to your pattern, like your seam allowance, the size of your pattern, the style or name of your pattern. And the next step is for us to mark our button position. So you need to get out your button and measure it. So once you have that, you need to measure it by the diameter, which we've previously discussed. Once you have that measurement, you are going to take that measurement. From the neck point, you're going to measure downwards your button size. So I'm just going to mark mine there. Once you have that, you are going to measure downwards again, 6 centimeters. And that will be your second button position. Continue till the end of your pattern. And once you are done, that will conclude this part of the tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for our next video on how we constructed the sleeve and the cuff pattern for our shirt block. Until next time, bye for now.